Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a tutorial on this look right here. We are again using the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Dark Magic palette. Again, same palette, different look. Here we go. If you are interested in learning how I created this look, please keep watching. Okay, hello. I am doing things a little bit differently today. I'm gonna start with my face first. I know, crazy, right? And obviously, I'm going to just prime my skin first. I'm going to go in with my Tatcha Silk Canvas. I'm really tired today, so sorry if I seem a little bit out of it or not as talkative. Just tired. I didn't sleep well last night and I have to go to work in 2 hours. I miss my boy Jack. My Jackie boy. Okay. I'm going next with my 2 primers, my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Primer and my Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. The usual. I swear this combination has made all the difference though. I need to get a primer that really covers my pores because these right here are not my friends. Alright, the reason I am doing things a little bit differently today is because I want to try out the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. It is supposed to be up to 24 hours. Jamie Genevieve has talked about this. I think I Love Sarah He has used the stick foundation. I have 2 different shades here. This is in the shade 128. This might be close to me right now. And then again, this one might be a little bit too tan, but we're gonna try 128 first. I'm gonna pump this on my Morphe sponge. Yeah, this looks about right. And we're just gonna put this on the face. Oh wow, that really is full coverage. This might actually be even a little too dark. I'm gonna bring it down my neck though. It is very full coverage. Yeah, see, it matches my shoulder better than my actual face color. Because my face is constantly red. So we're just gonna get this all in these areas here. This actually kind of reminds me of my Pro Glow shade. So far, I mean, it feels really nice on my skin. It doesn't feel super drying or anything. It might be a little warm. I also don't usually put on foundation without my eyes being done. So this is looking pretty good. My house feels really hot right now, so I feel like I'm sweating off everything. Where is this? I'm gonna go in with the Born This Way concealer in light beige. Use this in my video before this. We're gonna make this work. Alright, I'm gonna blend this out now. So it blends really nicely with the foundation, which, big fan of that. And then I'm actually just going to pop this on my lid while we're here. Highlight the rest of my face with this. I feel like my face is a little bit more even now. So I'm gonna try this today. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills, I don't know why I'm holding that. My Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Palette. And I think I'm gonna go in with the middle one for now, when I've used the most. Alright, I'm going to blend all this out using the butt of my beauty blender. All my baby hairs are in the way. Doesn't really look like anything right now, but once we go over it with bronzer and everything, it'll look bomb. So now I'm going to take my highlighter, the Anastasia and AMREZY one, and I'm going to tap this onto my face. Right up here, above my brow. So now I'm gonna take my Hourglass Veil translucent setting powder, and we're gonna throw our brushes apparently. We're gonna set all over here and underneath. Take my beauty blender and pounce it into the skin. I'm gonna bake under my eyes, because we are gonna do our eye makeup in just a minute. I have a feeling there could be a little fallout here and there. And before we do move on to eyes, I'm going to finish my face. I'm just gonna put bronzer on and then I'm gonna do my brows. Be right back. Okay, so I've already zoomed you in. I'm actually gonna put a little bit more powder down under my eyes. So I'm going to be using again the Jaclyn Hill Dark Magic palette. This one right here. We're gonna be creating, I'm kind of trying to do that like one palette with like different looks type deal, that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna go in with I can't tell you how much that name drives me crazy. This neutral brown, and I'm gonna keep it focused on the outer part of my eye right now. Bring it a little bit over, yeah. And then we're gonna go in with Mojo, which is a really deep purpley brown color, it looks like. And I'm gonna take this on a Morphe M433. We're first going to just pack it on the outer area here, and then slowly kind of take it out. And then I'm gonna go back in with my I'm gonna go in with my R34 brush to blend this out a little bit more. And what I'm gonna do now, which seems kind of premature, but it's not, I'm gonna cut this crease. Yeah, so I'm just gonna dip back into Mojo. Just gonna pack it and then go back in and blend it out. What I'm also gonna do is take this on my flat definer brush, just bring it up top there, and then I'm going to use my R43 Morphe brush, this little tiny thing, and I'm gonna go in with Poof and put this where I put that concealer. Alright, I am doing one eye first because I'm probably going to go off camera and do the other one super quick. But now what I want to do is deepen up the outer corner here. So I'm going to go in with Temptress, which I'm pretty sure is black. I'm going to start putting this like closer to my lash line first, and then pack it towards the end. And then go in with Mojo, just blend it all together using tiny windshield wiper motions. And then the kicker here is that we're gonna go in with Diversion. I'm gonna pick this up on a R42 brush, spray it with some Fix Plus. Love it. This is what I wanted in the first place. Alright, I'm gonna go off camera and do my other eye, and I will be back to, actually, I'm gonna finish the under eye. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna wipe all this away, and I'm gonna take Mojo on my R41. We're only gonna bring it halfway over, so I don't wanna close my eye off or make my eye appear smaller is what I'm trying to say. And then I'm gonna go back in with underneath and connect it all. And then bring Poof down and pop Diversion right in the middle-ish area here. Not sure if it's gonna really show up like it does on the lid space, but hey. So I'm gonna finish up this eye right here, and then I will be right back to show you the finished look. Okay. Alright guys, this completes this look. I hope you really enjoyed this today. I am really impressed with how this came out, actually. I really love this smoky eye. Still pretty Halloween-y, if you ask me. So yeah, if you did like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And while you're over there, please go ahead and I can't talk today. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, especially if you want to see more videos like this. I have to go finish getting ready for work now. So I'm going to get out of here, but thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.